Hello, my friends. My name is Gabe Elguera from drumbeatsonline.com, a website that helps you become a better drummer. Today, we are taking a look at my brand new custom snare drum. So let's check this thing out. Oh man, I'm excited. This is really awesome. I've never had a custom snare drum made for me before, so this is gonna be new for all of us. So today I thought we would take a look at the specs of what this actual drum is, and then we're gonna hear it at a range of a whole bunch of different tunings. So this is a 14x8 copper snare drum made by Jordan over at Offbeat Drum Co. So I have always wanted a 14x8 snare drum because I love drums that have a lot of body and a lot of meat behind them. And obviously the deeper you go with your snare drum, the more of that low end and fat body that you can get. And what complements the depth of the snare drum is that the fact that it's made by copper, which really brings out a lot of the low end and warmth in most drums. And something that I think is so cool about this drum is, yes, it's copper, but it has 10-ply maple reinforcement rings. So your actual head of your drum is sitting on maple wood. When these two things combine, you get the best of both worlds, trust me. Then for hardware, I went with tube lugs because it lets the shell vibrate a little bit more freely. And then triple flange tubes just because that's what I'm used to and it seems pretty standard. And what I absolutely love about this snare drum, but really all the snare drums over at Offbeat Drum Co., is the amazing raw and distressed patina on the outside of the entire drum. I really wanted something that looked weathered and almost rusted, and I think they did a perfect job. And I love how it has a lot of that orange and gold tint to it, so it really fits with the rest of my drums, but just in a very distressed way. And if you check out some of the other finishes on Offbeat Drum Co.'s Instagram page, you'll see some insane patinas. This one is pretty mild compared to some of the other ones they do. It's pretty awesome. So I thought he did an incredible job putting together exactly what I wanted from an aesthetic point of view. But what's even crazier about this thing is how it sounds. I am a huge fan of drums that have that warmth and low end and not a lot of sustain. And this is exactly what I wanted. So let's hear what this thing sounds like at a range of different tunings. Check it out. So for reference, the head I'm using is a Remo P77, and I just have 2 dampener gels on there just to control the ring a little bit. So guys, I am so excited about this snare drum. You are gonna be seeing this thing in a whole bunch of videos, trust me, where you'll get to see it in action even more. I am absolutely stoked to have my first custom snare drum. I would really recommend going and checking out Offbeat Drum Co.'s Instagram page or website or anything. They make all copper drums, and I think you're gonna see some really cool stuff that sounds a lot like this. So what did you guys think of the snare drum? If you liked it, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know what your dream snare drum would be. I would love to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you will be seeing this guy and me and some other ones. Bye everyone.